Here's another mall elevator, Nordstrom wing. Northshore Mall, Peabody, Mass. Hopefully a running elevator. Looks like a slap-on. It's a Schindler 330A. There are the buttons. 125 feet per minute, 4,000 pounds. Coming in. There's the phone. Well, it's Schindler. That'll work. So. Yep. Well, like I said, Schindler. Sometimes the door close does work, sometimes they don't. Ride's okay, but it's falling apart. Go down to 1. They destroyed an Otis. They almost made it look like their own in the inside. Sadly, no 8,000-pound giant here. Like the Sears and the Macy's Men at Home. If you believe it. Very creaky, makes a lot of unsettling noises. And again, this is Schindler's crap era, if you want to call it that. Car. And there it goes. That was the elevator. Hope you enjoyed it.